right, go get in the car.
He's telling you to get in.
Go.
We're back with another episode of Monster Machines. And in this first video, we're going to be checking out some old stuff. My 40-year-old truck found in Kentucky. 40 years old. And hear this thing. Hear it.
All right, go get in it.